5 strategies that you should follow in the Indian stock market during this coronavirus crisis. Hi guys, my name is Himanshu Mansal. You're watching my channel. In this video, I will talk about 5 strategies that you should follow in the Indian stock market during this coronavirus crisis. Before starting off the video, I would like to apologize that I was not posting any videos from the past 2 months because I was busy in finishing off my book, formatting it, editing it, and finally I've published it on Amazon Kindle. The book is on civil aviation. The book's name is Aviation Explained, a basic introduction to civil aviation. Links are in the description. If any one of you is interested, they can purchase it from that link. Anyways guys, now coming on to the topic. The first strategy is to play long term. Now long term is a strategy only for those who have patience, who know that they will not be tempted by the stock market during this period for 1 or 2 years. They can invest their money for 1 or 2 years thinking as if it is a bank FD, and they will not at all touch that. So if you are in this category, if you are ready, if you have this sort of patience that you can invest money and forget it for 1 year or 2 years, then obviously long term investment is very good, because prices right now is at the same level low as like in 2008 recession. Many people in 2008 recession invested a lot of money and then waited for 2 to 3 years to earn a lot of profit on that. Around some of them even got their money doubled and tripled. So this is only for those who have patience. The second is to play BTST. BTST is buy today, sell tomorrow. Now buy today, sell tomorrow is a strategy for those people who are very involved in stock market, who trade on daily basis, who are either intraday traders or who are regularly tracking the stock market, and who have this habit of trading one stock or the another every day, who are very regular in the stock market. This strategy is for those people. Basically what happens is that when the stock market right now is like a W, it is a very volatile market. One day it is up, the another day it is down. When we have a volatile market, BTST strategy works very well. You can easily earn 10 to 15% or maybe 20% of profit by buying today, selling tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow, or maybe after 3 to 4 days. So this is a strategy which has helped me a lot in earning money during this coronavirus lockdown. And I think that this is a strategy that many investors must follow right now, and especially those who are intraday traders or those who are very short-term traders and who do not have that much of patience and who are very active in the stock market. The third strategy is to invest only in blue chip companies. Now you know what I'm talking about. Blue chip companies are companies having very good market capitalization, having very good profitability and everything. So, and companies who have very good balance sheet, very good credentials, and who have very good profit margins and quarterly results. These companies will really help you out in gaining in the stock market and earning a lot of money in the stock market. The fourth strategy is management. Now this is something which no one tells you. Very hardly I have seen people telling this, and I think this is a strategy that Warren Buffett also follows, to invest in the management of a company. Profit margins may be high, profit margins may be low, but yes, if the management of the company is good, then your money will always be safe. Don't think that okay, this stock is giving me only 10% return and the other stock is giving me 30% return. But yes, if the management of that stock which is giving you 10% return is good, then the risk factor is very low and your money will be very safe. The company which is giving 30% profit may not be having a good management, and if you do not have a good management, what can happen, I do not need to explain that to you, because we have in the last 2 to 3 years we have seen many companies, many good companies like closing down just because of bad management. The fifth strategy is to avoid any recommendations from business channels. Now business channels are very good when it comes to news and tracking your companies, but yes, when it comes to decisions related to which shares to purchase and which share to invest and everything, I think you should apply your mind, apply your own common sense, and then invest in companies. I do not think that almost 70 to 80% of the advice given on business channels are turned out to be wrong. And if they were so good in predicting the future, they would have been like Warren Buffett till now. Okay, see the news about different companies, keep track of the results of your company through these business channels, but yes, do not make any investment by trusting them blindly. Apply your own mind as well, apply your own common sense as well according to your own market experience. Now guys, these were 5 strategies to take care of in this coronavirus crisis for Indian stock market investors. Another tip I would like to give you guys is that the US stock markets and the European stock markets close at 10 o'clock, 10 or 11 o'clock at night, and the US stock markets close at around 2:30 early in the morning, and the impact of the US and European markets are shown in the Indian markets the next day. At 8 a.m. you should see at what prices the European markets and US markets were trading, and then by the time you see this at 8 a.m. the Japanese markets, Chinese markets, Hong Kong, Singapore, all are opened up by that time. So you can easily determine the trends of the market before the market opens up at 9:15 a.m. Guys, these were 5 strategies that you should follow in the Indian stock market during this coronavirus crisis. If you have any more points here, please comment down below. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it with your friends and family. I will see you in the next one.